Get me right in there. Okay, you know the thing about the microphone or whatever, like the gain? Yeah. When I'm recording? Okay, yeah, so just, I'm gonna do some test vocals. Get me right. Yeah, and turn down that shit out there. Ah, fuck it, whatever, don't matter. Yeah, I need you. Yeah, I need you. How my shit sounding? I need you. You know what I'm talking about? Oh wait, no, it's I need Timbs. Yo, I need Timbs and nice clothing. I need you in the early morning. I need Timbs and nice clothing. I need you in the early morning.
Yeah, look, on my cold train, Louie tell him that I gotta do my own thing. I ain't never really worried what they gon' think. Got my doors locked, I don't wanna hear the phone ring. Yeah, I rap a little, but I told them that I'm gon' sing. Started in the middle, but I'm finna go exploring. Deep sea diving, living on the island. Man, I got the juice, now I'm just working on my timing. Good to be alive, thinking that I'm thriving. If you see my brother, you already know I'm riding. And she let me slide it, wasn't even trying. If your homie saying different thing, your homie lying. Trying to be that once in a lifetime. Fall, but I might fly. Spark in the nighttime. Lost with a lifeline. Crossed at the right time. Sharp like a knife. I'm kinda like a little something darker than a white wine. I just wanna know my mama watching and she's still proud. Wonder if they listen every time I play a field house. Still in a bust a little bucket and I'm still wild. I ain't seen the people from the bottom in a little while.
I need Timbs and nice clothing. I need you in the early morning. I need Timbs and nice clothing. I need you when I need you in the early morning. Yo, I've been scheming with my brothers on the daily, and I've been getting to this money in the nighttime. Young nigga with the sauce, no HP. Sketch hit me on the celly and it's go time. I be top down in the sunshine. Know a couple young niggas on the front line, steady mobbing, looking out for the one time. It's a shame they never can unwind, so I'ma live my life. You know, enjoy the little things for everybody who can't. And I'ma go and do everything you said that I can't. And I will never be anything less than a man. Know what I'm saying? Hey, Sketch, man, this stuff is nice over here, bro, but we gotta take this video on location, you know what I mean?
I need a girl coming back for the round trip, and I need a shorty from the rivers and the mountains.
Oh, you mean that shorty from the bar with the Benzo car?
With the one with no money that you lent your car?
Not that one, dude, wouldn't take it that far, but I would let the dogs hit it in the backyard.
And I could get the shots tipping with the black car, but I should let the clock finish whipping NASCAR.
Anyways, though, man, we getting off topic. I'm not stopping till we vacating up in the tropics.
And the people on the plane be thinking that we obnoxious, like, why those two fly young men in the cockpit?
Damn rights we are, about to buy the bar. Girls lifting up their shirt like it's Mardi Gras.
Why they telling me they special, baby, aren't they all? And she asked me for a picture, I'm like, sorry, nah.
I need Timbs and nice clothing. I need you in the early morning. I need Timbs and nice clothing, man. I need you in the early morning. Damn right we are, about to buy the bar. Girls lifting up their shirt like it's Mardi Gras.
They telling me they special, baby, aren't they all? And she asked me for a picture, I'm like, sorry, nah.
Hey, in nice clothing. I need you.
Oh, that wasn't on camera.
Hey, I need Timbs and nice clothing, man. Hey, I need you when I need you in the early morning. Jeez, that's a wrap, bro. Yeah.